Dear students, after Idul Adha, I again sat down to upload a video on a online class. I think you enjoyed Idul Adha well, and you all are happy, and you are in a holiday mood. In this pandemic situation, I think you are at your house. Welcome to my online class. First of all, my introduction. I'm your English teacher, Mohammad Monir Hussain, Bhasha Shahid Abdul Jabbar Ansar VDP School and College, Bangladesh Ansar and VDP Academy, Shafipur, Gazipur. My contact number, 01715253040 and 01865016000. This slide is for class 11 and 12, and it is for your English first paper. Let us see. What can you see in this picture? Can you guess? This is a fox. And what can you see in this picture? There are some uh, grapes hanging over the tree, and this is vineyard. So, our today's lesson is grapes are sour. Grapes are sour. This is a story writing. A story from writing part. Learning outcome. What can you learn after completing the lesson? After you have studied this lesson, you will be able to listen information, ask and answer questions, write a story, tell a story in English. Let us start the story. There is a fox here. Once there was a fox in a jungle. It was very hungry. The fox is searching something. Then it was searching food here and there, but he didn't manage any food. Now, describe this picture. When he was about to leave it, so he saw a vineyard full of sweet grapes at a distance. He was disheartened, and he was going to leave the place. In this moment, he saw a vineyard nearby, and he wished to satisfy his hunger. He became very hopeful. His mouth became watered at the sight of the grapes. It is very clear whenever he saw some vineyard and the grapes were hanging there, his mouth became watered. Then he wished to meet his hunger with the sweet grapes. It is clear, so he went there. Then the fox tried to eat the grapes by jumping higher and higher. He just jumped and jumped to have the grapes, but it was beyond his reach. So he was trying to eat the grapes by jumping higher and higher. But the grapes were hanging over his feet. He couldn't reach the grapes. But the fox still could not reach the grapes. He was trying, and trying, but he couldn't reach the grapes. So he was tired, and he finally gave up and walked away from the vineyard. He was jumping. As he was hungry, so he became very tired, and finally he gave up his hope and walked away from the vineyard. In the meantime, some birds perched on a tree nearby asked. That means there are some birds who are there in a tree, up on a tree, and whenever the fox was crossing the road, the birds asked the fox, "How are the grapes?" Then he told the birds, the grapes are sour. Let us have a discussion on the topic grapes are sour. You can discuss it with your partner, with your classmates, with your parents, with your sister and brother. Will please discuss it. Then please note it down to your notebook and take some note and pencil or pen and write down the answer of the following question. What is the fox searching? You have to answer the question of you have to write the answer of the question, the five questions. What is the fox searching? What did he find at a distance? What did he do to have the grapes? Why could he not eat the grapes? What did the fox say when he failed to eat the grapes? These are the five questions. Please write the questions on your khata and answer the five questions. Now, that is a homework for you. Write a story on a grapes are sour. Please, this is your homework. This is your homework. Write it down. And check your answer. There is a moral also. If you fail once, don't be disheartened. Try more and more. That means if you fail once, try again and again. Don't be disheartened. And please check your answer with me. The story is here. Once there was a fox in a jungle. The fox was very hungry. It was searching food here and there, but he did not manage any food. When he was about to leave its home, he saw a vineyard full of sweet grapes at a distance. He became very hopeful. His mouth became watered at the sight of the grapes. He wished to meet his hunger with the sweet grapes. So he went there. The grapes were hanging over his reach. Then the fox tried to eat the grapes by jumping higher and higher, but the fox still couldn't reach the grapes. When he became tired, he finally gave up and walked away from the vineyard. Some birds perched on a tree nearby asked, "How are the grapes?" The fox answered, "The grapes are sour." This is your answer. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.